For example, what is given, Nana? Find the principal solutions of the equation sin x is equal root 3 by 2 is given. Sin x is equal, what is the sin root 3 by 2 value, Amma? What is the value?
60 degree.
Yes, 60 degrees. 60 degrees means what you can write, Nana?
Sir, pi by 3, sir.
Says super. Okay, so pi by 3 you can write. So now here sin pi by 3. Okay, otherwise you can write sin x is equal to one more step, sin pi by 3. Sin pi by 3 what's are sin 60. Sin 60 what's are root 3 by 2. So x is equal to pi by 3. This one value you know. So one more value also is there. What is the one more value, sir? Sin x is equal sin 2 pi by 3. So x is equal to 2 pi by 3. How, sir? See here, sin x is equal sin of pi minus pi by 3 can write, Nana. 180 minus theta. Sin of 180 minus theta means what you can write, sir? Sin theta only you can write. Yes, sin of 180 minus theta is equal sin theta. Already you know all silver tea cups. All silver tea cups. Silver means what, sir? Sine and cosecant positive. Sine of 180 minus theta, sine theta only. So that's why you can write pi minus pi by 3. Here you can find out LCM 3 into pi, pi minus pi by 3. You can find out LCM 3 into pi, 3 pi minus pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3. So that is the principal values. One is x is equal to pi by 3. One more is x is equal to pi by 3. Anyone doubt? Any two values you can write now. Okay. Once you can copy now.
Sir, can we copy both or any one value, sir?
Both, if you understanding purpose, I am writing. Nana. Once if you want, you can copy. How we can coming to pi by 3 means this. Unknown needs are I know means you can copy only this. That is your wish. You can copy better. When you are revision time, useful this one. Completed ra? Completed amma?
Yes, sir.
Hey. Next amma. See 19th also same nana. Tan x is equal. Okay. So 20 also. Now we can see nana. 20. Find the solution of sin x is equal minus root 3 by 2. What is the root 3 by 2 nana in sin value? What is the root 3 by 2 ra? Sin value? What is the value amma? Harish or
60 degrees, sir.
yes, 60 degrees means pi by 3. Pi by 3. So here what can write sir? X is equal to minus pi by 3. This is the one solution. One more solution. See, sin x is equal sin of pi plus pi by 3. Means what you can write sir? Sin of 180 plus theta minus sin theta minus only. So pi by 3. Means here what you can write sir? Sin x is equal sin of 3 into 5, 3 pi plus 4, 4 pi by 3. So x is equal minus 4 pi by 3. X is equal minus 4 pi. So this is the equation of. So in general equation what you can write sir? X is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into 4 pi by 3. This is general equation where n belongs to z. Z means any integers, that is positive or negative. Who is that? Badri? Vairaka, open the camera.
Sir, I didn't open, sir.
Okay, okay, Nana. (21) also same, Nana. So this is the one model, Nana. So one more model is there. Completed, Amma. Completed, right?
Yes, sir.
Next example 23 can say now. Sin 2x minus sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 0. Okay, so now here I will write on highest one small value sin 6x plus sin 2x minus sin 4x is equal to 0. Sin c plus sin d is equal to sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Already you know this formula. In this formula, you can apply here. Sin c plus sin d is equal to sin 6x plus 2x by 2 into cos 6x minus 2x by 2 minus sin 4x is equal to 0 2 sin 6x plus 2x 8x by 2 4x cos 6x minus 2x 4x by 2 2x minus sin 4x is equal to 0. Here sin 4x is the common, so I will take common sin 4x. Remaining what you can write, sir, 2 cos 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here you can find out factors. Sin 4x is equal to 0. 2 cos 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 cos 1 cos 2x is equal to 1 by 2. What is the 1 by 2 cos value, Nana? Cos 1 by 2 means cos pi by 3. So cos 2x is equal cos pi by 3. So 2x is equal to what you can write, sir? Pi by 3. Okay. Once you can copy them. In this equation, general equation, 4x is equal to n pi 1. Second equation, 2x is equal 2n plus 5 plus or minus 5 by 3.
తాజా బత్తాయి పండ్లండి. బండి మీ బజార్లో ఉంది, రావాలి, కొనాలి, తినాలి. బత్తాయి పండ్లు ఎమతీపి అమర్చండి. ఎమతీపి అమర్చండి. రావాలి, కొనాలి, తినాలి. తీయటి బత్తాయి పండ్లు, తీయటి బత్తాయి పండ్లండి. చంపు తగ్గిస్తుంది. తీయటి బత్తాయి పండ్లు బండి మీ బజార్లో ఉంది, రావాలి, కొనాలి, తినాలి. బత్తాయి పండ్లు
తీసుకుపోయినా బతాయి ఎంత
బత్తాయి పండ్లండి. చౌక తగ్గిస్తున్నాం. బత్తాయి పండ్లు
కాడ మనవనే తీసుకో కాడ పసుపు
కంప్లీటెడ్ రా
ఎమతీపి అమరించండి. తీయటి తాజా తాజా బత్తాయి పండ్లండి. అబ్బా ఎమరుచి అమ్మ తీపండి. తాజా తాజా బత్తాయి పండ్లండి. ఎమరుచి అమ్మ తీపండి.
కంప్లీటెడ్ రా
Yes, sir.
okay, this is the two models nana. Synonym exercise 3.4. First one, tan x is equal to √3. Tan x is equal to √3. What is the tan √3 value, Nana? What is the √3, Ra? Tan x is equal. Yes, 60. Very good. Tan pi by 3. Super. So x is equal pi by 3. So one more equation, Anna. Tan x is equal tan of pi plus pi by 3. Pi plus pi by 3. Means what you can write, sir? X is equal pi plus pi by 3 means x is equal to 3 pi plus 4 pi by 3. Okay, one solution is possible. X is equal to pi by 3. One equation possible. X is equal to 4 pi by 3. So here general equation what you can write, Nana? X is equal n pi plus alpha you can write. Okay, so once you can copy them. Alpha means nana, this angle 5/3 or 4 5/3, that you can write. Next sum we can do. Second sum we can do, amma. ఎంతంటే ఎందుకు ఉన్నాయి
తీయటి బత్తాయి పండ్లు తీయటి బత్తాయి
Sir, your mic is muted, sir.
Okay, so pi by 3 also you can. తర్వాత దీంట్లో తినలే కంప్లీటెడ్ అమ్మా ఓకేరా సో థర్డ్ వన్ tan x cot x is equal minus root 3 convert to tan x is equal minus 1 by root 3. What is the tan 1 by root 3 value, Nana? Tan 5 by 6 x is equal minus 5 by 6. Yes, so you want to one more value, So what is the one more value, sir? Tan x is equal tan of 5 minus 5 by 6. Tan of 180 minus theta. Tan theta only will come 5 minus 5 by 6. So x is equal to 6 5 minus 5 means 5 by 6. One value is minus 5 by 6. One value is 5 by 6. So in general equation, x is equal to n5 plus alpha. Alpha value n5. You can write any value nana 5 by 6 or minus 5 by 6. Fourth one you can do nana. Fourth one homework. వచ్చింది జాన్ completed ra
Completed, sir.
Yes, sir.
next number fifth one cos 4x is equal cos 2x. So here also find the general solution nana. So general solution means you can write, you can't find out 4x and 2x value, yes. So that's why cos 4x minus cos 2x is equal to 0. One side I am writing all values. Here one formula is there. What is the formula, sir? Cos c minus cos d is equal. What is the cos c minus cos d formula, nana? 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Correct only?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now in this formula you can apply here is equal minus 2 sin 4x plus 2x by 2 sin 4x minus 2x by 2 is equal to 0 minus 2 6x by 2 3x sin 2x by 2 x is equal to 0. So here sin 3x is equal to 0 equal to 0 or sin x is equal to 0. Sin 0 value nana. Okay. So 3x is equal to n pi. X is equal to n pi. General solution. Okay. Once you can copy now. So otherwise one more step if you want you can write like this also. Once you can copy. Completed, right? Completed, amma. సో నెక్స్ట్ సిక్స్త్ వన్ అమ్మా cos 3x plus cos x minus cos 2x is equal to 0. Here also one highest, one small terms you can take, Nana. So here you can apply formula cos c plus cos d is equal. What is the formula, Nana? Cos c plus cos d is equal 2 cos c plus d by 2. 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. This formula I can apply here. So cos x plus cos c plus cos d is equal 2 cos 3x plus x by 2 cos 3x minus x by 2 minus cos 2x is equal to 0. So here 2 cos 4x by 2 amma 4x
Yes.
by 2 means 2x
2x.
yes 3x minus 2x means cos x cos 2x is equal to 0. Cos 2x is the common, Nana. So you can take common. Remaining what you can write, sir? 2 cos
2
x.
cos.
Yes, super. Minus 1 is equal to 0. Cos 2x is equal to 1 factor. One more factor. Cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 cos x is equal to 1. So cos x is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 1 by 2. What is the cos 1 by 2, Nana? Cos pi by 3. So cos x is equal cos pi by 3. So x is equal to pi by 3. So in this general equation, x is equal 2n plus pi by 3. Okay. One second copy. If you want this also, you can write cos 0 means 90. Yes. The remaining I will teach tomorrow, Nana. అయిపోలే.